One of the fastest ways to make friends and meet people who share the same interests as you is by attending a pop-up event. It could be a beauty pop-up, a fashion pop-up, or a cafe pop-up, whatever suits you best.
The queue is so long. I'm waiting in the line and it's been like 30 minutes and I'm still here. I think I have to wait around like 20 minutes more. We are here finally. And then we get a popcorn and also like a drink.
I met so many sweet people at the pop-up and we became friends. At this pop-up, I met a girl who recognized me from Instagram, and at the next pop-up, I met another girl who is also a content creator. After the event, we decided to have lunch to get to know each other better. The restaurant we chose today has quite a reputation. Some even call it a racist restaurant, and their chocolate mousse is so popular. If you're curious about our experience, watch this video right here. Say goodbye to my friend and I headed to a Valentine's bento cake workshop hosted by Liz and Crush Cake.
Hey guys, Valentine is just around the corner. So I'm going to a workshop today, which is a bento cake workshop. I got this invitation from an app that help people make friends. It's so cute. And they even so put my name as well. Oh my god.
You can also download the app and join different workshops to meet new people. It was such a lovely time. We had so much fun decorating cakes, chatting, and filming together. But at the end of the workshop, we exchanged Instagrams and become friends.
I'm going to meet my friend. She lives in Paris, so we decided to have a coffee before she leaves. I just got out from the station and walked into the cafe. It was so weird in the chain. A Chinese guy, he came to me and he stand in front of my face for like 5 seconds. And then I look at him and then he showed me his hat. He has like a cup and he writes something inside the cup by Chinese. So I'm not Chinese, by the way, so I don't even know what he wrote on his cup, but it was so weird.
Anyway, this is a cafe and I knew my friend through Instagram. This cafe is so cute and cozy. I have to say I wasn't a big fan of the matcha latte, but the place itself is perfect.
Matcha latte? I'm not sure about it.
We spent hours chatting, laughing, and capturing cute moments together. I can't wait for more coffee days like this. At dinner, I met up with a friend who had just had lunch with me earlier. I met her at another pop-up event and she randomly asked me, "Do you want me to take a video for you?" And just like that, we became friends. So sometimes it's just that easy. She had never tried Korean food before, so we went for Korean fried chicken, japchae, mandu, and more.
It is a drumstick chicken and it's soja and garlic sauce. And this one is japchae bulgogi, which is japchae with marinated beef. And we ordered 2 drinks, which is lychee and melon, and 2 mochi.
It was also her first time using chopsticks. It was so funny.
No way she learning.
Oh, it's here. It's like that.
Exactly, just that, yeah.
We laughed a lot and had the best time sharing our cultures over good food.
The chicken is so good. It's so good, right? It is.
And that's basically how I make friends in Paris. Do you think making friends is hard? Let me know in the comments. Bisous!